How to create a temporary Gmail account in seconds. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, let's head over and open up the Chrome application on our device. And once you head over to this section right here, you can just go ahead and use the search bar. In the search, type in email later. And then once you search for it, you should be finding the results. So you can look out for this one, which is Gmail later, which is www.emaillater.com. So just go ahead and launch this one right here, the link, and open it up. And what you need to do is simply go ahead and turn off this option of domain, turn this off, plus Gmail and this Google one. After that, only switch up this Gmail one. After that, you can go and tap on go and simply copy this email address, or you can generate new by tapping on generate new. And there you go, a new email has been created. So this is a dummy account you can use in order to basically create a temporary email address for some time. So this is it. You may also follow up the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.